Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for Ipsy Glam Bag. Now, if you're not familiar, Ipsy Glam Bag is a beauty subscription. You do get this each month. This bag costs $13, and you get 5 items inside. They are sample sizes, deluxe sizes, and some full-size products. Now, they also have 2 other bags that you can choose. The Glam Bag Plus is $28. You get 5 full-size products inside. Then there's the Glam Bag X, which is $55. That one you get only 4 times a year, so quarterly. And that you will get instead of the Glam Bag Plus for that month. And in that bag, I know, I'm sorry, there's 7 to 8 full-size products inside. So let's go ahead and see what they sent me. Now, I waited forever for this bag. I received the shipping notice for the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus on the same day, and I got them 2 weeks apart. So I almost thought this one was lost in the mail. But I believe this is the June bag. June, show your colors. And they did not list the products inside. I really do wish they would. They're putting the card in here anyway, so they should go ahead and list it for us. Now, I've tried to look at my bag by scanning the code, and it won't show it because they're already working on July. So I have no idea. So I wish they would just go ahead and put that right in here. So I have no idea what it values for or anything like that. I will try, and up here I'll put the prices of things. I'll look them up online and see what they retail for, and that way you will know. So the first 2 things in my bag are add-ons. So there's a time period before they assemble your bag where you can go on their shop and you can find brand name items for rock bottom prices. So I did add a couple of things. The first thing I added is this eye primer by M2U. I believe that's M2U. Is that how you say that? So I got some eye primer. I'm sure that I am at the end of mine because I seem to be like digging it out to get all of it. So this is good timing. The second thing I got is this Physicians Formula Eye Makeup Remover Lotion. It is hypoallergenic and it is fragrance free. That's what it looks like. And let's see what it says. Exceptional formula gently floats away even the most stubborn eye makeup and leaves no greasy residue. Oh, I'm glad about that because I have a makeup remover and I feel like I'm just putting cooking oil on my eyes. Let's take a look at this. Oops, things are sliding around over here. Okay. So this is 2 ounces. Let's see what it smells like. It has a little bit of just like a product smell. So it doesn't smell like there's any added fragrance, which I appreciate. Apply a pearl-sized drop to the eye area and gently spread in a circular motion to lift the eye makeup. And then you rinse with warm water. So now I do product reviews. Every few months when I get enough empties, or if I've used them enough to give an opinion, I will do product reviews. So keep an eye out for those. Okay, so that was my add-ons. Ooh, and here is my bag. It is a nice, pretty pink vented bag. We have a slice of watermelon on the pull along with the Ipsy logo. Let's go ahead and see. The first thing, Goddess of Flawless. SPF 30 mattifying sunscreen. This is made by Sugar. What else does it say? It is a cruelty-free product. Now, I imagine that the color is the box, maybe? Oh, okay, it's one of these. It goes upside down. Okay, so it's just one of these deals. You just take it out and just put it on there. I wonder if there's a color. Let me check. Ooh, it's clear. I'm going to put some on the back of my hand and see how it mattifies. So it's on there. So I just guess we just have to wait a little bit. But I've got it on there. I know you can't see it because it's clear. Ooh, tissue. I've got a big blob on there. Okay. So good, because you know, it's pool season. Got to use all the SPF we can, right? All right, what else? I'm glad to get that. Groom and Sculpt Tinted Brow Gel in Chestnut, which is probably the color. This is by Brow Atelier? I don't know how to say that. So this is a brow gel. Let's take a peek. That was a good one. Oh, it came off in one piece. Okay. Atelier? Still trying to think how it. Tinted Brow Gel. Let's see what color that is. So there is the color, which should work for me. Let's see. So let's go ahead and try this. So you can obviously tell that it did make it darker than this one. Now I use taupe because it matches me better, but this actually isn't bad. I have to be sparing with it, I think. But this will help keep your eyebrows in place. Yeah. There we go. That was easy. Nice. I have been wanting some brow gel. Been thinking about it because I try and fluff up my my brows and they just come back down. And brow gel will help keep it in place and make your eyebrows look fuller for longer. So, yay, I got the brow gel. Okay. All right, next item. By Able Skincare, it is a Hyaluronic plus Retinol Radical Youth Activator Serum. Smooth a pea-sized amount in a gentle circular motion onto the skin morning and evening after cleansing. Okay. So that's what that is. And the next thing, it is a Kvos Lip Potion. It is an overnight lip mask. It is in sweet almond, olive oil, pomegranate, pineapple. Interesting. Massage a generous layer of this non-sticky lip mask onto your clean, dry lips and do not rinse off. Ideally applied before bedtime, but can be used anytime. And that is what that looks like. Now, the lip, what was that before? Oh, this, it stayed shiny looking, but now as I'm rubbing it, it looks like it's mattifying. So interesting. I bet you could use that over a lipstick as well if you know, wanted it to stay matte. So that might be good for that. So, but anyway, back to this lip mask. Let's check this one out. It's going to have a seal on it, which is good. Okay, so this lip mask has a little bit of a color to it. It's pink. It is pink. It's thick. Yeah, it feels like it's going to stay on your lips throughout the evening, so yeah. Okay, does it smell? Oh, yeah, it does smell. It smells more like pomegranate and pineapple. That's what I'm getting out of that. So, okay. That's a good product to get. And the last thing in my bag is by Tarte. It is called Man Eater Voluptuous Mascara. Oh, this one lasts 6 months. Usually mascara only lasts 3 months, but it says right here, if you see that little jar, do you see the little jar over here? There's a number inside, and it tells you how long the products last. So that's what I go by. I don't want to open this yet. I have 2 other mascaras in line, but I will go ahead and post a picture here of what the brush looks like and how much it retails for. Now, these bags are great. They're great for your handbag, to categorize what you have in your purse, to categorize makeup that you have in your house, electrical cords, stationary items for your purse or whatever, you know. These are great bags to have. If you are interested in trying Ipsy for yourself, I can get you a free glam bag, which is like this. So you'll get the 5 items that they choose for you, and you'll have to cancel before the next month. Otherwise you'll get charged. But if you're interested in trying it, just let me know in the comments down below. I will get with you and I will send I'll take care of all of the information, and we will get you your own bag. Okay, so on that note, I am very glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.